If you want to know how to torture a young, ambitious, hopeful fresh graduate, this is how. These are Allen screws that have been completely stripped, and I've been working on this for like 2 days trying to get them out. And every other part has come off nicely. Every single part, except for these 2 screws. So it's been 2 days, it's been 48 hours. Look at what we've been through. And we're still going. Last night, I tried to super glue the Allen key onto the screw. And then when I turned it this morning, the whole thing just fell off. And the screw is, the screw is still there. And now the Allen key can't even fit back in. I mean, seriously, like I've watched every possible YouTube video out there. And now I'm just stuck trying to file down the sides in order to be able to ply them out later on. So we'll see how that goes. Ow, 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 ow. 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 Oh my gosh, it started moving. Okay. Caught on camera this time. Also, the reason why I'm wearing gloves is because the scissors just snapped into my hand, and now I've got a bruise internally. I mean, guys, like, you guys don't know how much of an ordeal this is. To use my leg to brace the back of it. Ooh. This is actually really tightly screwed in, surprisingly. My legs. By the way, look at the setup. This is why I'm saying my legs, okay? Because it's supporting the table leg as I pull this up. Okay, please. My goodness. Get out. Okay. So that's one down. Is it gonna focus? That's one down, one more to go. I mean, really, just look at the state of that. You can tell how much I tried, how much intervention was needed in getting this out. And if you think like, oh, I could have just removed this part and gotten the entire leg out, you're wrong. This is securely glued onto the table surface. Yeah, this is the injury that you get for not wearing gloves when you work. It's not that bad actually, but it's not great. I kind of reckon that I could just try pulling this out, maybe, because while I was filing the top one, parts of the bottom one came out. So let me move this back. And we can try, let's see if we can get this out. Or maybe, yeah, no. I think it needs a bit more filing down the sides. So I'll do that. Roll the time lapse. I think I filed it down enough. It's starting to twist. a bit with if I use the pliers, so let's just hope that it's come on, where's the edge? Oh, the thing about like it being, look at how bad the angle is. It's just not possible. It's just not possible. I'm gonna try a different head. Hopefully this works better. Or not. This way. I really shouldn't be this difficult, but it is. I'm just really afraid that I have to. No, I can't use my hands. Really afraid that might have to file down additionally another 2 sides. Oh, this is so bad. This is so bad. I wanted. Yeah, no, I might have to file down. Look, it's just. Basically, this is just not properly gripping the screw head because, like, it's just because of how low this is. So I might have to file down even more. So yeah, roll the time lapse again. So the situation now is that with the second filing down, I was able to turn it a bit more. As you can see, this is the first, this is the second. And now I'm thinking, do I have to do a third? Because the second turn is also at its limit of turning. Ugh, it's such a visceral. Yo, oh my gosh, I might really have to do like a third filing down here and here. This is terrible. Let me see if I can use my hand. I doubt so. I knew it. Oh, I knew it. Yo, please. Okay, so I'm using like my entire body, like my feet against this, my hands, my head, everything is. Yeah, look, this is the problem with the first one. This is the problem with the second one. That they're both limited by, again, the table surface. I'm losing my mind. I don't know how many times I'm saying the same thing, but. Okay, maybe not, maybe. Just have to angle myself a bit. Please. Oh, my legs. My toes just cramped. This, oh crap. Okay, finally, this is the second one that's out. I mean, look at that. Look at that. Okay, you guys don't understand how these profoundly changed my life. Seriously.